What if Batman and a werewolf joined forces? In the next few seconds, you will witness an unprecedented transformation. Picture Batman, shadowed in Gotham's neon lights. Facing him in the moonlight, a fearsome werewolf. Their intense stare holds a mysterious tension. Suddenly, their figures start merging in an incredible fusion. The night now belongs to the Bad Wolf. Half hero, half beast, with Batman's cunning and the wolf's power. Imagine the possibilities of this unstoppable force. Like what you see? Subscribe for more.